Andrea and I'm with Meyer Pharmacy. Today I'm going to be answering some of your questions about PAP therapy. Can I use my machine without an SD card? Yes, absolutely. There's an internal modem in your CPAP that will continue monitoring your sleep. The SD card is simply a way for us to transfer that information to your physician's office. Should I travel with my CPAP? What I tell my patients is if you're going away for a couple days, the choice is really yours, but I would recommend that you take it with you. You're going to feel a lot more rested and energetic, which is exactly what you want when you're on vacation. Now, if your plans include flying, what you need to know is that TSA is trained to check your machine without touching your CPAP mask. If you're nervous about germs, which is understandable in an airport, you can go ahead and put it in a clear plastic bag inside of your CPAP carrying case. Also, your carrying case is not really built to be considered check luggage, so you can go ahead and take it on the plane with you and it will not count as your carry-on. Now, if your plans include international travel, make sure you take the correct adapter with you. Why is my CPAP machine using more or less water than normal? The first thing I ask my patients to do is to check the humidity level setting on their machine. Now, depending on what machine you have, it can be pretty easy to accidentally change that setting. Also, there's a few other factors that can change the climate in your home, such as having a furnace on, your air conditioning, or even a fan. And maybe it's just a great night outside and you want to have the windows open. All of those can change the factor in how much humidity your machine uses, but it's nothing to be concerned about. So I'm starting to feel a lot better now that I'm on my CPAP. Can I stop using my machine? No. The answer is no. You have to keep using it. When you start to feel better, that's how we know we have the optimal pressure and mask fit for you. If you were to stop using your machine, you would just go back to feeling how you did before you started. Can I use my machine if I have a cold or suffer from allergies? Now, this answer is really individual and patient specific. For my patients that have a full face mask, they don't seem to be as bothered by this because they can still breathe through their mouth. Now, if you have a nasal mask or nasal pillows, that's really going to depend on you. Some patients say that the pressure helps keep the nasal passages open, while other patients just can't handle it. And to them, I say go ahead and take it off for a couple nights until your passages clear up. Why is my mask leaving marks on my face? Well, there's two main culprits to this. The first one is typically the cushion is just deteriorating. These are short-term disposable products and they're really not intended to last more than a couple of months. Also, sometimes what I've seen is when patients first get a new mask, they'll put the mask on and the headgear is just too tight. The mask actually needs a little bit of give to create the correct seal. If your mask is tight enough to leave marks, then it's too tight. What is all involved in cleaning my equipment? Well, to get optimal lifespan out of your equipment, you do want to make sure you clean it about once a week. And the best way to do this is I tell my patients to put warm, clean water in a clean sink with some dish soap. Now, be careful not to use a dish soap that has an antibacterial agent or bleach included in it. And what you want to do is just put some of that soap in the water, swish around the equipment, and you want to pull apart the mask, the headgear, the cushion, and the tubing. Swish it around, rinse it off, and let it air dry. Now, you don't want to wipe that off with a washcloth or paper towel because some of the fibers can be left behind and you'll end up breathing that in. There will be some water spots on your equipment and that's fine, those are completely harmless. Now, you do want to make sure that these are not dishwasher safe, so don't put it in your dishwasher. Well, thank you for watching all of these videos. I hope they were really helpful and answered your questions. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Thank you.